So how to consistently generate $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Hey, today I'm going to share with you guys 3 key strategies so that you can start generating consistent affiliate income, all right? Hey, what's up? This is Zevin from Life CEO, and if you guys are new to this channel, welcome. Welcome to this channel. This channel is all about Eugene, my brother, and I's journey in building a business online, and we're going to be documenting our entire process for you guys, and we're going to show you guys all the strategies we're implementing, all the mistakes we're making, all the achievements, just everything, and hopefully that will inspire you guys to take action as well. And we just want to show you guys that, hey, it's possible to do something that's not traditional, not that doctor, lawyer, banker, whatever it is, and we just show you guys it's possible. And yeah, it's just this is what this channel is all about. Okay, so if you guys are interested in that, then definitely subscribe to this channel, and we're gonna be pushing out a lot more cool content for you guys. Okay, so let's start with the video. So if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, essentially it's also called referral marketing. So what you're doing is you're promoting other people's products and offers in exchange for a commission. Okay, so every time someone buys from you that specific product and offer that you're promoting, then you make a commission off it. These commissions could be 5%, 20%, 50%, all the way up to 100% as well. Okay, so it's a super big market, and actually a lot of these big companies like Amazon, like eBay, a bunch of these really big companies have affiliate programs. Okay, so it's been out there for so long, and a lot of people are doing it right now, and honestly a lot of people are not having success with it. So today I want to share with you guys 3 key strategies. These are strategies I've observed from really successful marketers, and also I've implemented myself, and it's really helped me out in my affiliate marketing business. So I want to share with you guys these 3 key strategies so that you can start generating more consistent, hopefully 100, even up way more than $100,000, $2,000. So key strategy number 1 would be to optimize your sales funnel. Okay, if you guys don't know what a sales funnel, you guys have to really master this, because a sales funnel essentially is like the entire sales process that your person goes through from a visitor all the way into a buyer. Okay, so they're strategically placed pages so that when a visitor goes in, by the end of the sales funnel, they're like taking out their credit card and they're buying from you. So one of the best ways to optimize your sales funnel is what we call an upsell. Okay, so this is a personal experience that I had with what an upsell actually is. Okay, and I think you guys might have heard of it before. Okay, so when I went to McDonald's, all right, so I think when everyone goes to McDonald's, before you pay for that meal, they always ask you, hey, do you want to supersize your meal, or do you want fries with that? Like, this phrase alone is what exactly an upsell is. Okay, it's pretty much before the person is about to purchase your your products. It could be a book, it could be a whatever it is. You give them an upsell. You give them this thing. Sometimes you might have seen it before. It's just this little box. You tick it. Hey, do you want to add an extra $37 or $40? ClickFunnels, if you guys are familiar with ClickFunnels, if you guys try to buy their book, every time there's gonna be that upsell at the bottom that says, hey, do you want to add $37 to buy their black box? And that is exactly what an upsell is. And afterwards, after you pay for, even if you don't buy that $37 upgrade, you pay for their book, they'll jump into another page which has another upsell, which might be, I don't know, some kind of program, and another upsell, another upsell. So this is exactly what you need to do to optimize your sales funnel, because how do you really make a profitable sales funnel? Like, how do you really profit from the customer, right? So the math is really simple, and you always see this in Shark Tank. They always ask this: what is your customer acquisition cost? Which is, how much does it cost to acquire a customer? How much does it cost for you to get them into becoming a buyer? Okay, and then the second question is, what is their average cart value? Meaning, how much are they spending every time they buy something? So if let's say your cost of acquisition is going to be $10, but they're spending $20 every time, then what does that mean? That means you have a profitable sales funnel. That means you're making money. Okay, so if you guys are spending $10 to acquire a customer and you're only making like $1, that means you're losing money. Okay, it's that simple. And one of the best ways to really increase the amount they spend with you is with a sales funnel. And that's like the biggest problem right now, because people are just, they're getting maybe YouTube, they're getting leads from YouTube, from Facebook, they're getting people coming into their channel, into their sales funnel, and then they're just sending them just this $7, $10 offer. Okay, and it's really hard to make money off that. You really have to maximize. In order to really maximize the amount of money you can make from these people, you gotta have some upsells in place. And that's why everywhere, every single digital product, just everywhere in general, they always have upsells, okay? Because that's how they really maximize their profits. So make sure you guys, to optimize your sales funnel, make sure you guys place some upsells in it, okay? So if you guys want to learn how to really make a profitable and very high converting sales funnel, hey, check out the link below. I actually have a video for you guys, and yeah, it just shows you guys how you guys can make a profitable and high converting sales funnel. Key strategy number 2, which is to find the right audience, okay? So this is super important because people in affiliate marketing right now, what they think is turning someone from a no into a yes, okay, into a buyer. But the truth is it's not. It's actually finding people that are already saying yes, okay, and using your product and offer as a bridge to their dream destination, to the dream result that they want. That's exactly what you're doing. Is the thing that you're doing is just connecting them to the destination, to the result that they want. Okay, so it's just building bridges. All right, you're just bridging them with your product and offer to the destination. So if you have a product and offer, like let's say you have a 6-pack abs, I don't know, shortcut, a 6-pack shortcut product, okay, you just have to connect the right people to it, okay, and not trying to change someone that, you know, really enjoys eating, doesn't really care about their body, into someone that wants a 6-pack abs. Is to find someone that really wants a 6-pack abs and using your product to get them to their destination or to the result, okay? And this is super important, and I think people don't really notice that that's what affiliate marketing is. They think it's just to change a bunch, you know, people that are originally no's into a yes, and that is a big mistake, and you'll be spending a lot of money and wasting a lot of time trying to do that, okay? So one of the most important questions that I ask myself is, where are these people? Like, where are these people that are saying yes? Who are these people that want to reach that destination, okay? So you want to really stalk them. I'm not even joking, like stalk them. Go find where they hang out, okay? Go check out what they like. Go to those Facebook groups and talk to them, okay? Try to give value to them, okay? Network with them. Just do a bunch of things to really understand them, because the more you understand them, the easier it is to sell whatever you're promoting, okay? Because you know what they are like, you know what their pain points are, and you can be really laser focused with your messaging. And that is so important, because at the end of the day, as an affiliate marketer, what you want is to really find who your target audience is and really go laser focus on them and really have a strong message that resonates with them. And that's how they are really attracted to you. You know, it's not about, you know, your product. It's really about how you talk to them and how you know, display your message to them. And that's a super essential part, and that's why it's really important. And I think that people should really focus on finding their target audience and just really try to stalk them, not really stalk them, but really try to understand them, so that it will really help with whatever you're promoting, okay? So that's my number 2 key strategy, and this is what I swear a lot of people miss out. They just think that you just have to send a bunch of links to people and eventually one will buy, but that's not a good strategy. A good strategy is to find people that are already saying yes, you know where to hang out, understand them, and then give them the link. Give them your link, and then they'll buy from you. All right, so that's key strategy number 2. Key strategy number 3 is to build a relationship, okay? So I got this really cool story I want to share with you guys, and it's from my friend. He sells investment products in China, and in China it's a little bit different. And every time I ask him, hey, like, what's your secret sauce? What's your like secret to selling so much? And every time he's like, oh, every time I go up, actually I just eat, I smoke, I drink Baijiu, which is like, you know, tequila, kind of like, it's really high alcohol level, and just every time I do that, and I can, you know, I don't have to explain much, and you know, we build a really good relationship, and I just keep selling some stuff. And then that really taught me, like my friend really taught me, it's like relationship is so important. And even in Chinese people, there's this phrase which is like, it's better to have relationships than to know a lot of words or to study a lot. Okay, so that's kind of how it goes. But essentially it's just saying relationship is really a super important part of our lives. And a lot of beginner affiliate marketers, what they're doing is they're just sending people to their affiliate links and expecting them to buy. Okay, like honestly, if you're a new affiliate marketer, how often do you actually buy from someone that is new, or a brand that is new, the first time you see them? Nobody does that. Like rarely anyone buys from someone that's new or a brand that's new. Okay, so if you're expecting them to buy, then you're kind of, you know, you're delusional. All right, and if you guys just expect them to buy and they don't buy and you just give up on them, then you're missing on a really big part of this entire business and a really big income. Is because if you guys don't spend the time to build a relationship, you don't, you know, first of all, you don't give value up front, and you don't follow up with them and continue to give them value, then those people will just never, they'll never see your brand, never even touch and click on your stuff ever again. Okay, so if you do the follow-up, you build that trust, then most of the time they actually buy within 60 to 90 days. Okay, and that is actually the biggest majority of those buyers are actually in this this category, which is they don't buy immediately, but they buy within 60 to 90 days. Okay, so super important to nurture your relationship, whether it's through YouTube videos, whether it's through Facebook groups, whether it's through email, whatever it is, it's super important to just keep adding value to them. And because like a lot of times it's not about the money, like the price is not the problem. The problem is the relationship, the trust. Okay, so if you guys are able to build that trust, then I'm pretty sure eventually they'll just pull up their credit card and they'll buy from you. Okay, so that is a super important part. So make sure you guys build a relationship and nurture it. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Hope this video gave you guys some value, and hopefully you guys can implement these 3 strategies. And these are the 3 strategies I did observe from really successful 7-figure, 8-figure, even 9-figure entrepreneurs and online marketers or whatnot. And hopefully you guys can implement this and it can really help out your affiliate marketing business. And if you guys are new and you guys want to discover how you guys can build a high profit business online, by promoting other people's products, okay, so that maybe you can travel the world, maybe you can quit that 9 to 5, maybe you just want more options and freedom in life, then check out the link in the description below. Eugene and I have made this free training for you guys, and we're going to be revealing to you guys how you guys can start generating not just $100 a day, but $1,000 a day leveraging high ticket affiliate marketing. All right, so this is a business model, and this is something that my mentor has taught me, and this is something that all 7-figure, 8-figure, really successful online marketers are using, which is high ticket, affiliate marketing or selling high ticket products. Okay, so this is definitely super crucial, and you don't have to have experience to really get started with high ticket affiliate marketing. So if you guys are interested in that, check out the link in the description below, which is gonna send us to send you to our free training. And also you guys head to www.evangenewong.com/training. You guys can also access it through there. And if you guys do check it out right now, we're also going to be throwing in a mini bonus for you guys. It's a 12-step blueprint for affiliate marketing. Okay, so we're going to have a 10,000 feet overview so that you guys know how you guys can start from 0 to 6 figures. I'm going to show you guys all of that within 12 steps in the blueprint. Okay, so if you guys do check it out, the free training right now, we're going to send that blueprint to you as well. Okay, so definitely head there right now. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys do like this video, definitely smash that like button. It will really encourage us to push out more content. And if you guys want to, you want more content like this, you want to join us on our journey in building a business online, this is the entire purpose of this channel. Okay, we're gonna really push more content, hopefully inspire you guys to take action as well. Then definitely subscribe and hit that notification icon so you guys know when we upload. All right, so that's just the end of this video. Oh, also, sorry, follow us on Facebook. Check us out on Facebook, Evan Gene Wong. Check out on Instagram, Life CEO. Okay, so yeah, so check us out. Okay, so that's pretty much the end of this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.